Hi guys, this is Clement. Welcome back to the music school, and today we'll be talking about the basic things that you need to be successful as a beginner DJ. Start off with attending nightlife. Go attend your favorite DJ's gigs, monitor what they're playing, gather those playlists and start collecting music. Invest in your own music. There are a lot of sites out there which you can buy music from, and there are various sites that have special edition mixes from different DJs and stuff like that. Dig into those sites and create a playlist of your own that stands out. Start getting gigs outside. However you get it, it's up to you, but playing outside in a bar, pub makes a lot of difference than you just practicing in your bedroom. A bedroom experience is totally different compared to what it is out there. So make sure by hook or by crook you get jobs and you're playing for people. Kindly make sure you invest in quality gear, and the more you work on your gear, the more you experiment, your sets will improvise equally. So that's how you also can stand out from other DJs. Don't be entirely lost in always investing time in just preparing music, new sets, or being lost in your production. Make sure you give equal time also to promote yourself. That's the most important thing one should do. Is today everything is about social media, so make sure you're nice and loud out there too. So guys, I hope this video helped you to improvise yourself in some format or the other. Follow us on Instagram, and I will see you next time.